gonna make a review about like about this flashlight. See, I got the batteries right here. I'm gonna put it in right now. Wait, those. There. So I'm gonna take this out like this. Take this out. How many batteries? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. So you see this. You will have to put the batteries in here. So I put this one. It goes right here like that. If you look at this one, the other one goes like that. This is in. I had to make sure it's like tight. Okay. One more over here. Put it in like that. So it's all in. See, they're all in. Now we're gonna put this in here like that. And then take this, put it in like that. And then, yeah, you see how bright it is? It's bright, dude. But what is it? Whoa. I don't know. What? My shirt, my hair. You know, I put it close to my ear. It's so hot, bro. It's like so bright that it's hot. So much light that it's hot. Last time I touched this. I touched this thing with the light is on in my ear like that. And that was burning. Like put the light there, yeah, and I put it like that. And it was hurting, bro. It's like hot when you do that, but it doesn't hurt. So if you guys want me to do any more reviews about stuff, like this stuff, comment down below. Okay, I don't know how to turn on my comments, but if it's on, comment down below how to do other reviews. But sometimes it's disabled, so you can't comment down. But if it's open, then comment down below. Do I have anything that I can review? You know what? I think, bro. I think when I get my old thing, like old ball toy, like a boomerang, it comes back. You throw and it comes back to you. It's coming in a package and it's coming in my house. And then maybe I'm gonna do a review of that. But if I don't have enough time to do that, then it's okay. Maybe I'll do another time or next time. But maybe when the boomerang comes, I'm gonna do a review of that. Maybe. If I don't, then maybe next time. So see you guys later. And you know why I take videos so long? because I lost my phone and my Chromebook was at home. My Chromebook was at my home, but I'm staying at my grandma's house for 3 months because I want to say it like something happened to my grandma. You know, Dad died. Yeah, she died. So I'm gonna like in my grandpa's alone, and I'm gonna stay here for like 3 months. And then, you know why I took so long? Because I lost my phone, and my Chromebook was at home, and I didn't bring it with me. I forgot, so I had to go all the way back home to get the Chromebook, so I can make a video. So maybe I'm gonna make a video like tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know when I make the video. Oh yeah, and my old boss like coming August 10. It's like coming my bed. It's gonna my bed. Wait. When it's coming, it's August 10 or 14. August 10 to 15. And my birthday's at August 21. I'm not gonna make a video of that. But I'm gonna have a cool birthday party. So, see you guys later. Peace.